how to turn on or turn off car mode notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we now scroll down and tap on notifications. In here, tap on advanced settings, then scroll down, and then we tap on manage notification categories for each app. Tap on the toggle button and make sure this is turned on. After that, tap on the back key, then we go to the top and tap on app notifications. Now in here, tap on the menu button or the more button and choose show system apps. Then scroll down and tap on Android system. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on notification categories. Next, tap on car mode on the left hand side panel. And at the top here, you can choose to turn off notifications for car mode or to switch it on. You can also choose to have it sent in silent mode or alert mode. So select one of the options. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.